Hello viewers, myself Dr. Manoj Agarwala, practicing dermatologist and cosmetologist at Raipur and New Delhi clinics. It took me as a surprise when I came back to my hometown a decade later and I see that patients who come for consultation do not know exactly what skincare products to be used. In the end, as a result of confusion, they end up buying products which are advertised on the social media, television, or a particular product which has been recommended for a friend or a family member, and they find that the results are good, so they want to copy it. But believe me, skincare regimen has to be customized and individualized. It takes into account a lot many factors: the persona of the person, the lifestyle, the work pressure that they have, whether they have exposure to sunlight or not, what kind of a diet they are following, and finally how good they want to look. DIYs or do it yourself are must, but a certain in-clinic treatment can help you achieve a finer and a more refined version of yourself in a reasonable time frame. So how does one start the journey of having a beautiful and glass skin? First of all, we all should eat a good balanced diet that has fruits and vegetables or possibly all the colors, because each color represents a nutrient and your skin and hair can derive the maximum benefit if you can amalgamate them well. We should also include a lot of water intake, because the toxins that are produced during the day will be flushed out by water. Exercise or a sport like 20 minutes every day or even 30 minutes on alternate day is better than doing nothing at all. So what product a particular person should use in order to achieve a flawless skin? So here the answer lies in identifying your skin type, whether it's dry, oily or a combination type of a skin. Skin product has again to be chosen based on if you have a sensitive skin or if you have a skin that can go through a lot of harsh chemicals. The old age formula of CTM like cleansing, toning and moisturizing is still valid. Every person should clean their face at least twice a day, and preferably once in the afternoon also if they have a lot of outdoor activity. The second component is toner, and most of them they have vitamin C in good percentages like 10% or 20%. There are certain particular products which have a sustained release of vitamin C. Now here the problem is most of the products in the market, they do not have a stable form of vitamin C, or the vitamin C that they claim is usually lacking in terms of percentages. Most Indians, they need an SPF. Believe me, SPF is the single best thing that can you do for your own skin. SPF delays the process of aging, and everybody should apply it at least once a day if you are mostly indoors. But if there is an outdoor activity planned in the afternoon, you should reapply it at least 20 minutes before. Sunscreens are a must for every Indian skin, because they are the only proven element that can delay the process of aging. Sunscreen has to be applied as the last layer of the morning skin regimen. A person is free to reapply the second coat of sunscreen if they have an activity planned in the afternoon. The secret of a beautiful skin lies in the night cream, which essentially has vitamin C, retinols in different grades, alpha and beta hydroxy acids. So what they actually do is they continuously peel out your skin in a gradual and sustained manner. So after the usage of such creams for a period of 6 to 8 weeks, a new baby skin is what is apparent. So the night cream has to be applied after the process of cleaning and toning.